Hey everybody, and welcome back. I'm gonna teach you how to draw a sandwich character today, okay? So grab a paper and something to draw with, and let's get started. Okay, first we're gonna start with the big shape of the front piece of the bread. So we're gonna do a rectangle like this, with a line, a line, and a line. We're gonna stop at the top and draw some rounded lines. Like this. Perfect. Okay, we're gonna draw a little line coming off right there and a little line coming off at the bottom. And we're gonna copy this line now, but just a little further out to connect those. So we'll come down, and actually this line's gonna come behind and stop right there. We'll have another line coming out here and have this line go all the way down there. Perfect. There's our first slice of bread. So now we're gonna keep going out with the sandwich on the side and draw the things that are inside the sandwich. So maybe let's start with some meat. Maybe this is some meat, some lunch meat coming out of the sandwich. Have it come down around a little bit and over. Let's give the meat some texture. Next, let's add a slice of cheese. So we'll have a triangle coming out right there, a triangle coming out right there, and maybe just a little bit coming out at the bottom too. Perfect. Next, let's add some lettuce on our sandwich. So this is gonna be a little bit bigger and kind of crazy, like this, and have it come in. Add a couple details for the lettuce. Maybe a highlight up here on the cheese and down here. And on the back, we're gonna do the second piece of bread to close off the sandwich. So we'll come down around like this and then close off in, just like that. Perfect. Now I think our sandwich needs maybe some sauce dripping out. Now I think our sandwich needs a little bit of sauce dripping out. So let's have it come down like that and drip, drip. Perfect. Now we have our sandwich shape. So let's come on the inside of the shape and draw our character. Let's give some big eyes. Some lines coming underneath. I love adding lines under my eyes. Then the pupils. Looking to the side to make our character look a little bit more alive. Some eyebrows. And let's do maybe a goofy smile. Like that. It doesn't have to be exactly like mine. We just want to do a couple little squiggles for the mouth. Make sure they're closed off. Let's add a tongue inside and maybe a couple teeth. A couple dots on the tongue. And let's fill in the rest of the mouth so that that tongue stands out. Perfect, just like that. Maybe a couple more creases up here by the cheeks and a line down the mouth, by the mouth for the chin. Now I think our character needs just a few details around the bread. Like that. Let's give our little sandwich character some arms and legs now. So we'll do one arm right here, another arm right here, and then the little leg coming out, and another little leg with a curve. We'll do a straight line right there, and then curve it around. And there we have a cute little sandwich character. Yeah. Good job. You did a really good job following along, and you're such a good artist. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. Bye. If you haven't yet, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, visit YayBubbaDraws.com and sign up for my newsletter. There, you will be able to download free coloring books, hear about awesome art challenges, and win prizes. See you next time. Bye.